Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Tidy with Toya. This your girl Toya, and today I have a very quick 45-minute speed clean for you all. This day was bath night, so I needed to get the twins upstairs pretty quickly, so I had about 45 minutes to straighten up the downstairs, just in the kitchen and in the general entryway. And I was so happy with the results that I got done actually in 45 minutes. I wanted to do it in 30 minutes, but it turned out to be 45. But sometimes you just need a little extra time, just a little bit, to get it done. So hope y'all enjoyed this video today. It's rather short, but it's because this is all I had time for on this day. Being a twin mom is hard sometimes to get things done in a reasonable amount of time. So I definitely hope you enjoyed the video. For those of you that are new here, I just want to take the time to introduce myself. My name is Toya. I create cleaning, organizing, a tad bit of decor, twin mom lifestyle videos. If this is something that interests you, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and let me know you're here in the comments and you're watching today. As you all can see, I did change my living room around. It created way more space for the twins, and they have this habit of getting on the couch and trying to act like they're going to jump over the back of it, and so I wanted to put it against the wall. But yeah, I did change around my living room, and I definitely like the results that I have of that now. So as some of you may have noticed, I took a hiatus for a couple weeks. I really did not mean to. The weekend of the 14th, I was celebrating my birthday with my children being gone that weekend. And so I wasn't going to do a video that weekend. And then the following weekend, my daughter would just not let me be great. She would not let me film. She would not take a nap. It was just terrible. So I had to take an unexpected 2-week break. And then that first weekend, the twins were actually sick. So I really couldn't film that weekend. So it's been tough the past 2 weeks, but I'm back now, y'all. Let me know in the comments if y'all miss my content, and what y'all want to see some of coming up in the fall. So y'all, another YouTuber, Sean over at Squeaky Clean Life, kind of gave me some motivation to to possibly do some fall decorating. So if that's something that you all want to see me do over on my channel, let me know in the comments. I'm not a real big decor person. I really like to keep it fairly simple, short, sweet, and to the point, also because I just have this thing about spending money on decor, like, so it's going to be very minimal and very cheap. So let me know if you want to see something like that in the comments. Something else I wanted to share with y'all. I am trying to find some vitamins that really give me the energy and the focus that I need. I've really been enjoying these Golly gummies. I guess that's how you pronounce it, Goli. I've been taking the apple cider vinegar and the ashwagandha vitamins as well. Let me know in the comments what vitamins you take on a day-to-day basis, and what are some ones that you recommend that is also cost effective. So this is the finished product of the 45-minute speed clean. Hope you all enjoyed this short but sweet video today. Make sure you stay tuned until the very end because I want you all to see my new idea of where to put dirty and clean masks. So I know which one's dirty, which one's clean, and then I can keep recycling back and forth throughout the days. So isn't that neat, y'all? I just love that. Anyways, thank y'all for tuning in, and I'll see y'all on the next video.